morning, we're trying to make a sample experiment that's going to differentiate between safety glass and raw glass. At first, I would like to show you the little sample of when the breakage of raw glass have to show at the peak. Raw glass will have a sharp edge which can cut, which safety glass would look like this and stay at wherever that the breakage has happened. Right now, we're about to present to you a real-life experiment. That's why we're actually dressed in the safety glass. It is highly recommended that when you are dealing with raw glass, you must have safety precaution. This is a very good example of 5x5 laminated glass, 8 mm ordinary glass, which is, we would like to run an experiment so that you can see how it goes. Right now, we will use a metallic hammer to slam the two samples that we have. This is 8 mm raw glass, this is 10 mm safety glass, 5x5 mm, make it 10 mm in stronger terms. So when you slam a raw glass with this temperature, that is what you get. When you slam a laminated safety glass, this is what you get. So the difference between safety and raw glass is safety glass can have the breakage a sign that it has been broken, but it will never wrinkle to a sharp edge that can touch the human being. Example of a raw glass that can actually cut you. I'm wearing a glove, that's what prevents me from actually not being cut from this raw glass. So this experiment actually teaches us that safety glass are highly protective than raw glass. Let's assume that someone runs through a raw glass. These edges would have caused the person having a serious injury. But no matter how much you eat a safety glass, you can have a minimum of about 95 reduced safety in injury because you can only have this time. You see that we slam this glass for about 3 times with a higher temperature of slamming before we get this kind of sign. But we just slam this once and we have this wrinkle of sharp edged glass. So I think we're able to convince you that safety glass are highly better, protective, certified, and in workplace, site, construction, public spaces, we realize that people are not being using this in Nigeria, and we wanted to change the perception of having people looking at the value of the cost than the value of the protective, than the value of having to protect people's lives, people's, having not to have too much of injury when glass is gone. And when you pay a high level of money for a particular material, the essence of it is for you to protect the client, not to injure the client. That's why I need to convince you. For further inquiries, you can reach us. Check our website at www.steeplumconcept.com. Also, you can send us an email for more information, info@steeplumconcept.com. Thank you so much. See you.